how does Scott really feel about Kourtney's sizzling dating life? After finding their stride in co-parenting their 3 kids, Scott Disick and Kourtney Kardashian have started dating other people. Fans are thrilled to see Kourt getting back on the horse with her steamy new relationship with 45-year-old musician Travis Barker. Travis and Kourtney are Hollywood's new it couple and have not been shy about flaunting it. Fans are loving seeing these stars so in love. Scott has also been dating off and on for a while, which has sometimes caused drama between the parents of Penelope, Reign, and Mason. So now that Kourtney has a guy in her life, is Scott really handling it as well as he says?
That doesn't sound great.
37-year-old Scott and 42-year-old Kourtney have been on and off for years. While some fans were sure the pair were getting back together earlier this year, that wasn't the case. In fact, Kourtney seems happier than ever with Travis Barker. I mean, when a guy gets your name tattooed on his chest, that means you're happy, right? Recently, the Poosh creator and the musician have been turning up the heat. In a recent post to Instagram, Kourtney shamelessly showed off her and Barker's romantic getaway to the desert in Utah. Just like heaven, she captioned the images. Kourtney and the Blink-182 drummer have been seeing each other for months and took their relationship public back in February of 2021. With things getting more serious between the new couple, Scott has begun distancing himself from the steamy romance. As Kourtney shows off her and Barker's relationship, Disick is apparently struggling with the situation. Kourt and Scott's friendly ceasefire has shifted slightly, given Kourtney's change of pace. Over the years, Kourtney has had a few flings but has pretty much kept her dating life on the down low. This is the first time Scott has to deal with his ex parading a serious relationship in front of him. The maturing of the pair's relationship has meant that they've usually been happy for each other through different dating scenarios, but this time, Scott is acting differently. His distance is making fans think that he's a little less than okay with Kourt being so into someone else. We get it, there's always an adjustment when your ex gets serious with someone else. Scott is handling the whole thing fairly well, but it's clear that the dynamic between Kourtney and her ex is changing the longer she's with Barker. Fans notice that the pair are no longer hanging out as much or doing as many things together as a family. Scott's not the only one hesitant to accept the PDA-heavy romance. Barker's ex, Shanna Moker, also feels some type of way about the whole thing. The model, who was married to Travis from 2004 to 2006, shared that she felt Travis was downgrading. She didn't hold back while posting a retaliation to Barker and Kourtney's Utah vacay pics with her own post about her boyfriend who makes her happy. Moker also posted a meme saying, "Stop complaining, there are people out there dating your ex." Sounds like some bad blood there. A recent episode of Keeping Up with the Kardashians revealed that Kourtney and Scott actually got back together briefly while they were both single. Was it all because of the pandemic, or are Disick and Kourt meant to be? In the episode, Kourtney and Scott spend time together at their Malibu house, hanging out and reminiscing about better days and their bedroom life. Before getting together with Travis, Kourtney was almost ready to forgive, forget, and try things with Scott again. However, it's more complicated than viewers of the show realize, with more going on behind closed doors. Kourtney said Penelope wonders why we can't be a perfect little family and have a white picket fence, but it's just not that simple. When confronted about his feelings on Kourtney's romance, Scott said, "Maybe it's just in my head, but seeing you around any guy bothers me. It hurt me when you were with somebody else. It made me upset and sad." At the time, the Kar-Jenner family was on board with the pair getting back together. Kim planned to set the pair up during a Switzerland-themed evening or romance and fondue, attempting to rekindle whatever spark was beginning to light. Despite any past drama, Kourt's sisters and mom just want to see her happy. Scott made an on-camera attempt at healing their relationship, sharing his feelings about wanting to be together as more than just parents. "After we take care of our children, to go to sleep in 2 different rooms 2 feet apart, it seems like we do everything else together, but the intimacy part that we leave for other people. I love you, it's so difficult." Aw, those are some strong feelings, Scott. The reality show star also revealed that he always thought the pair would end up together. Scott also shared that he sees the pair eventually getting married. "I love you and I'm ready to marry you right here, right now. Wherever Kourt stands, I stand with her. Forever." Kourt's response? "I'll get back to you." Ouch. Later on in the show, Kourtney revealed that her feelings about her and Scott go much deeper. She told the camera that the pair have had conversations over the years, but her answer isn't going to change unless his actions change. Although Kourtney and Scott haven't been together in a while, they've always managed to be friendly and civil for the sake of the kids. Despite their rocky past, Scott and Kourtney are usually on good terms. The parents have found a way to co-parent successfully, often attending family gatherings together and even taking the kids on family vacations. For a two-part segment on Poosh, Scott and Kourtney talked about the ups and downs of co-parenting, citing the importance of communication, and saying that she thinks people would look at them and think, wow, that's amazing that you guys can do this together. Scott added, sometimes things are not perfect and things come up. We don't have all the answers, but luckily we have our friendship. He also said that even when it's hard, they're usually able to talk things out. In the videos, the pair seem very friendly and almost, dare we say, flirty? While they may not always be a couple, Scott and Kourt have learned that putting the kids first keeps things relatively drama-free. For Kourtney's last birthday, Scott made a heartfelt post for the mom of three, reading, "Happy birthday to the best mom a child could ask for and some more." That had to score a few brownie points. The post, however, was overshadowed by Barker's "I effing love you, you're a blessing to this world," accompanied by a string of intimate pictures of the pair getting hot and heavy. While Scott may not be ready to see Kourtney move on, he has made some moves himself over the past few years. In between Kourt and Scott's reconciliations, Scott has dated a few other ladies. Frankly, he's in no position to judge Kourtney, since he's also in the middle of a new romance with 19-year-old model Amelia Gray Hamlin. The pair have been dating since last October and recently have been getting a little cozier in public. Before Hamlin, Scott was famously dating 22-year-old model and designer Sofia Richie, a relationship that many fans felt he often threw in Kourtney's face. Back in August of 2020, the rumors were that Scott ended things with Richie in the hopes that he and Kourtney would be rekindling their own relationship. After the breakup, Sofia revealed that even she thinks that Disick was still in love with his ex. Kourtney has also had her own string of flings. She dated Younes Benjima in 2018, and at the time, Scott was not coping well with Kourt's dating life. He stated that it's never easy seeing someone who you share 3 kids with and so many memories with move on. Looks like Scott's attitude hasn't changed much in the past 3 years. Kourtney also dated Luka Sabbat and Justin Bieber over the years, all to Scott's respectful dismay. Unlike Kourtney's past relationships after Disick, Kourtney is totally infatuated with Barker. The pair are always together, and fans are even guessing at a wedding before too long. Whether or not marriage is in the books, one thing is for sure: Kourt is living her best life. How will Scott feel if Kourtney makes it to the altar with another guy? Scott's hesitation about accepting Kourtney's current relationship is likely because of the realization that he and Kourt might not end up together. These famous parents may have figured out how to co-parent their kids, but we're sure that the end of the family's reality show won't mean the end of this family's relationship drama. Do you think Kourtney and Scott are genuinely happy for each other's dating lives, or is there more than meets the eye with these two former lovebirds? Some fans think there's still a spark beneath the surface for Kourt and Scott. Let us know what you think in the comments, and subscribe to The Things Celebrity for more stories about your favorite stars.